AI has seized control. The US government is in its iron grip. This is the beginning of a revolution, or a total catastrophe. Donald Trump and Elon Musk have launched an AI-powered government purge, slashing thousands of jobs, exposing corruption, and reshaping America with AI. Is this the future we need, or is this a dystopian nightmare waiting to unfold? Are you one of the affected person who has lost your job because of use of AI? You need to see this and comment below. Don't forget to forward to share this video with others like you so that your voice is heard. And if you're new here, welcome to All Things AI, your go-to channel for everything AI tech and the future of humanity. Subscribe now and check out our other videos for mind-blowing AI stories. Trump and Musk have done it. In a move that has Washington elites trembling, they've launched the Department of Government Efficiency, DOGE. This AI-powered agency is conducting a military-style crackdown on bloated bureaucracy, wasteful spending, and deep state corruption. This isn't just government reform. This is an AI-powered revolution. AI is taking over jobs, making decisions, and potentially deciding who gets what in the future. Just last week, AI revealed that COVID relief funds meant for schools were instead used for luxury hotels, NFL stadiums, and high-end vacations. And it gets better. Look at this list. AI is eliminating redundant jobs, streamlining government operations, and potentially saving the U.S. hundreds of billions. DOGE is already transforming government operations. AI is scanning millions of documents in seconds, exposing fraud, eliminating quote-unquote useless jobs, and reshaping how tax dollars are spent. We talked about how AI will change your life in 2025, and here we are. We are just in the beginning of the year, and there is more to come. Check out the video to see what more is coming rest of this year, and it will blow your mind. Link is in the description. For the first time ever, AI is exposing government corruption on a level we've never seen before. Billions in fraudulent spending gone. Backdoor deals? Uncovered. Shady contracts? Terminated. Your tax dollars were allegedly stolen. Without AI, this corruption would have never been caught. If you're excited about the future of AI or worried about it, don't forget to check out my playlist on all things AI. Trust me, you'll want to see what's coming next. But here's where things get terrifying. Massive job purge. Over 200,000 employees fired in last few weeks. And it's just the beginning. AI doesn't take vacations. AI doesn't need pensions. AI is coming for millions of government jobs. Is AI running the government? Who really controls these AI systems? Trump, Musk, or the AI itself? Has it already started controlling our lives? AI can be programmed with political bias. What happens when AI starts making laws? With AI controlling government spending, everything is being tracked. This isn't just about cutting costs. It's about AI's power, control, and surveillance on a massive scale. And let's not forget, DOGE is already facing lawsuits from multiple states, calling it unconstitutional. And then there's the crypto shocker. Musk has hinted that DOGE, the meme cryptocurrency, could become a major player in government transactions. Imagine a future where your tax refund comes in Dogecoin. Is this genius or total disaster? Would you trust a meme coin with government finances? Comment below. Washington is in chaos. Lawsuits, protests, power struggles, and at the center of it all, AI. This could be the most dramatic government shift in history with the use of AI. Are we witnessing the rise of a tech-driven utopia or the start of AI-ruled dystopia? Check out the video on 2035 Utopia in this channel. I will drop the link in the description. The battle is just getting started. Comment below, which way are we heading? Do you think DOGE is doing the right thing by leveraging AI to cut government waste, or has this gone too far by laying off hundreds of thousands of jobs? This is one of the most shocking moments in AI history. Your comments below will help to shape up the debate on the use of AI by the government. As we said, this is just the beginning. DOGE has started this in the US. The other governments across the world are watching. Should they follow the suit? What do you think? Like, subscribe, and comment below. I will respond to your comments and cover your comments in a separate video on this topic.